Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to open a windshield washer fluid bottle. And this will be an easy tutorial, so let's get right into this instructional video tutorial. I'm going to keep this video short and sweet and straight to the point because I'm in a parking lot over here and it's quite cold and I got to refill my windshield washer fluid. So basically I just figured that I would show you how to open the bottle. Now, it might seem simple and straightforward, and it kind of is, but there's a little trick to it. If you just try and untwist the bottle caps, you can see here, this is the bottle of a windshield washer. The bottle of windshield washer fluid. It's not a bottle of a windshield washer fluid. It is a bottle of windshield washer fluid. And if you just try and untwist the cap, right? You try and untwist it, it's not going to work. Now there are instructions over here that say squeeze, okay? And it's kind of, I think it says like squeeze or press, but what you want to do essentially is you want to go beyond this little mechanism right here. This mechanism is just a little tab. So what you're going to do is you're going to squeeze that tab inwards as you pass this little piece right here. This is the threshold that prevents it from being unscrewed, okay? So before you get to that threshold, you're going to take that tab, you're going to press it inwards slightly, just like this. So take a look at what I'm doing. I'm pressing that tab inwards. Okay, I'm squeezing it inwards. I'm bypassing that threshold, and then I can continue to unscrew it. And then you're probably going to have to do it one more time. So as you can see, I'm locked out again one more time. So I'm going to squeeze that tab inwards, bypass that threshold, and then I can just keep on untwisting. And as you can see, I have now opened up the windshield washer fluid bottle. It is literally that simple. And to close it, you're just going to go ahead and put the cap on, and you're just going to twist it regularly. And it's designed to go past that threshold as you're closing it, just like that. Okay? And it says, I think it even says tighten it up. Like make sure that lid is nice and tightly in place. And that's basically it. That's how I do it. I just want to keep this tutorial short, sweet, and straight to the point. Hopefully you enjoyed it, and I've got nothing else to say, so we're going to roll the outro. So without further ado, here's the outro for this specific video tutorial. So yeah, I've said enough. I'm actually going to say the outro. Without further ado, here is the official outro for this video. So really, here is the outro. This is the outro. And yeah, I've said that way too much. I feel like I'm getting nervous, but there's nobody around. It's too cold. Everybody's inside. Anyways, for real, here's the official outro for this specific video. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below in the comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.